Good evening, friends. Let me start by thanking all of you. A lot of thanks to all of you for making my last episode a grand success. And the subscriptions also have increased since then, which is a very encouraging aspect that I should communicate with all of you. Last session, we covered certain aspects of the market, and we said that when we are approaching a market, the first thing that we need to do is to explore that market and uncover that market. Once that is done, we should discover that market. And only then we should start covering the market. And that will definitely fetch us results. Today's episode, let me start with a very interesting story. The story of a real estate salesman. This real estate salesman met a customer couple and started explaining the various amenities that his property had. He explained the child playroom. He explained the swimming pool where children can really enjoy. He explained the lush green gardens where the children can play. And after all that, he asked the couple, "By the way, how many children do you have?" And the couple said, "We don't have any." Oh God, you can understand the productivity of the call. Now the concept here is that there has to be a conceptual clarity to begin with, and that has to be punched with lot of practicality, and that will be the key to success. And the question is, gentlemen, please note, the question is, we will have to look at these opportunities early. We will only then get a chance to adjust and be successful early. This is called as the first mover advantage. In life also, we have to anticipate the situations early, and then we can avoid a lot of confrontations. If we look at the brand, there also it is the same thing. We'll have to listen to the customer. We'll have to understand the customer's problems, issues, desires early. And it is then that we will be first in everything. We'll be first to act. We'll be first to communicate. And we will be first to deliver. And it is only then that the customer will be ours. Now, this being first in everything, in life, in brand marketing, and in sales, when we are handling the customer, is very important. We'll have to propose the idea first. We'll have to develop the idea first. And once we are first, we will score. The issue is, this story that I started with, this gives us a lesson. The lesson is, gentlemen, first take the information. Take it and then give it. In a hurry, if you are giving all the information and you are finding out that this information is not suited for your customer, then there is a problem. The essence is, study your customer well and do not prejudge. If you are prejudging anything, there is a bias. And once there is a bias, the entire sales call goes for a toss. The crux of it is, adopt yourself according to the customer's need. In cricket also, a bowler is observed by the batsman. How long he runs before he bowls. The batsman keenly looks at his delivery, understands the bowler. And more often than not, it is a new bowler who takes a wicket. Because a new bowler is active and he is not known to that extent by the batsman. Similar is the situation when we are handling customers. So today's deliberation is study, 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 formulate, 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 communicate, 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 and then deliver. Because the delivery has to be as per the customer's need. I look forward to joining you to the next episodes of Sales Nazariya and wish you the very best, such that slowly and slowly I am heard and these gospels of marketing are understood, internalized, and mind you, implemented. Thanks a lot.